Going down, man. It's EastbayChevs Joe. We at the motherfucking Whiprally 2019.
Yo, Beasy on the check-in. And right now I'm coming to you from Whiprally 2019. And you know what we doing, flicking and moving.
Take a little picture, flick and move. Capture a life in a single photo. I see the game in the living color. Focused on green and go move. Always looking for the blue line. Silver get put in the jar. Blowing purple and baby blue skies. On the seagull to aim for the stars. Take a minute picture, flick and move. Capture a life in a single photo. I see the game in the living color. Focused on green and go move. Always looking for the blue line. Silver get put in the jar. Blowing purple and baby blue skies. On the seagull to aim for the stars. Brown glass, hot going in. Looking for cream in the water. Wow, white was steady blowing out the fall. You know I keep the babies bottom. Niggas know I keep them flying cars. Parties here like the Red Sea. Burger that stays on the nigga block. Yellow concentrated murder scene. Set some lights in the new shots. Orange cheap, that's a pretty pink. She on that 50 shades of gray shit. She fucking my niggas with gold teeth.
Yo, Flicknmove full effect. Finally got to meet Hard Toss versus Verdi out here. He's showing me around. But that's what I came here to see. Freddy Krueger.
Alright, so here we have it. Freddy Krueger Dome. MJ does his 1972 Impala. I drove all the way from Arizona just to check out this car. I watched this build on his Instagram and I really wanted to see it in person. So you know how I do, flick and move style. We rode all the way to the Bay Area and we got this exclusive footage for y'all. So I'm like, we gonna check it out together. But check out the engine, all the details. I mean the gold trimming, very nicely done. Check out the rims, got the gold shining. I'm telling you, all the gold looks nice. It's a nice gold and chrome balance. Paint flawless. A1 stance. I'm telling you, man, they didn't miss anything with this car. It's definitely a nightmare on Chevy Street. Check it out. Everything. Impala logos, nice gold and chrome mix. All the gauges. Championship belt, you know he winning. Feel me? Yeah. I really like this car, man. It did not disappoint in person. Details. Everything. Details on details. Yo, man, y'all gotta let me know what y'all think about this Ford Mustang, because this is one of my favorites at the Whiprally 2019. I mean, this car, it was so clean. The engine swap was nice. All the gold trim looked beautiful. Everything on the car was done. And the phone that controlled the top and the windows was the icing on the cake, man. Really enjoyed this car at the Whiprally 2019. Shout out to the owner, B-Bumble510. You did your thing with this one, man. Let me know what y'all think below, you know what I'm saying? Leave a comment, let me know what y'all think about the Ford Mustang you see here in the video.
Shy G, man, everything foreign, man. We gonna bring it to you like this. 7.0 Caddy, Chameleon paint, Forgiato.
Hey man, y'all don't forget, every Tuesday on the ABMG management page, send your car photos in. All the Cadillacs, we do Cadillacs on Tuesday ABMG management page. So if you got a Cadillac and it's clean like this one here, send in your photos, send in your videos, and I'll repost. Flicknmove.
Everything foreign apparel. Follow us.
Nice. Let's check it out. What size rims these is?
20.
Got the 20-inch, folks. Purple lights, match the car. Gold accent. Tag. Sexy Z. Oh, and she got something in the trunk too. She got some music. Oh, you ain't playing. That's nice. How you feel after that win? How you feel after that win?
I feel great. I mean, it's a lot more in there. It ain't even, that wasn't even the full potential of the motor, the build, or anything, you know. That was the first time going down the track with it, low tech it, you know. It's a lot more in it. All right, man.
Shorty B shot right there.
Yes, sir.
Team 7-4.
Yo, what you know about Team 7-4? Got drop reg on the check-in, sitting on them 26s, Coley on Fords. I'm rocking with Team 7-4, man. I like what the EastbayChevs got going. Interior real clean. I like the color coordination on this one, very nice. Baby seats in the back, matching. That's some footage from the EastbayChevs 2019 New Year's ride out. Flicknmove was in the building once again. You know what I'm saying? I'm rocking with the EastbayChevs heavy. Caprice Classic. Got the trunk done. Gotta have your music right. Got the complete package. A1 stance, that's what they call it out there. Down south we call it squat.
I follow Buddy right there. I follow, what's this? Ace Dome, 7 Ace Dome. Box Chef Joe in the back. Hot Boy Twin. What's his name? I'm trying to see who name I remember. This Troy the Barber in the box Chevy right there. That's Nell Diddley. That's Big Diggs Jr., Senior, something like that on Instagram. And it's 500 low. And I'm Flicknmove. him on the ground. I got you. I don't know his.
What's your name?
ABMG Management on Instagram.
Oh, that's you from
I shot the video for the New
that's
Year.
you from down south.
Yeah.
Hey, I never could put a face with you though, because they said when you was here last time when you was recording, I missed you that day.
Yeah.
But that's my guy though. hey, that's my guy though.
Yeah,
But
you got a
you
clean
last
box.
time.
Yeah, I can. I'm fucking with y'all, man.
He state to state, he flicking and moving, you know what I mean? We going crazy, you know what I mean? But right now we holding it down with the EastbayChevs. It's your brother Chef Joe. I'm in the place, man. Peace.
How we play roles. We've been thinking all the time that
Nobody on the ground. Everyone balling or something like that?
Yeah, what's that?
How you doing, man? I see you, man. I see you, man. I appreciate it. Windshield wipers too, shit. Man, they got the gold windshield wipers too.
Man, we appreciate you, man. Coming all the way from Florida like that, man. But shit, we don't know where you be at now. You be everywhere, so hey, wherever you at, man, we appreciate you coming out.
Cali, man.
We're back 2019.
Yeah,
2019, man.
EastbayChevs, man.
Sir, EastbayChevs.
Appreciate y'all.
Yeah, for sure.
500 low.
Drop red,
MJ does it.
They hating on me, I'm son. You know I gotta be something in the mix. Well, you already know I'm the best in the nation. Supposed to be #1 right now.